My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Peugeot 3008. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It's done just over 24,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access media, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, smartphone integration, and our connectivity and car apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between sport mode, hybrid and electric. As we go to the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.